Welcome to Disney's Wilderness Lodge. Okay, so welcome to our room. We have a standard view king room here at Wilderness Lodge. And we're so excited to stay here. We love our room. This is recently refurbished. So let's start in the main room and then we will check the rest out. All right, so we have a king bed, which is nice. So
really
this
nice.
Room only accommodates 2 people. Here we have a desk, and you'll just notice like the wood features and like the textures and colors, like the wallpaper. And this is like, I don't think it's real leather, but it's supposed to look like leather.
Looks like it.
And it's just really pretty. I really, really love it. It's just perfect for the theme, everything. And this is cool too. So this is a light, and it's supposed to kind of look like a...
Try to focus in on it. There we go.
Yeah, it's supposed to look like a geode rock. Mm-hmm. And you can actually, let's see, dim it, I guess. I don't know, I kind of haven't figured that out yet.
Work in
But
progress.
it's really cool. So, and then that also is on the other side is the bathroom. So we'll show that in a minute. But coming into the room, we have the dresser with 6 drawers. We've got outlets and USBs, fancy TV, another little chair, kind of table setup. Really cool chair. This is nice. I don't know, you may be able to kind of pull these around and use them in different places.
I think so. Like one for this chair, the other for that chair.
Yeah.
Have breakfast.
Yeah, but I think that if we didn't have just the king bed, I would kind of wonder what the setup would be. This is our first time staying in this room type. We have stayed at Boulder Ridge before, but we've never stayed at the main Wilderness Lodge. So I really like seeing this. But this is a cool, like, kind of chase lounge chair setup with the leather here.
Very nice.
This is like a real nightstand where that side kind of has the desk, but I still really like it. And then the curtains kind of have like feather
Pattern on them. Let me focus
design.
on it. It's cool.
Again, just really like the colors.
Mm-hmm. Great theming.
We can come back to the view,
Okay.
but let's go this way.
And then the light too. Those nice
the
lights and stuff.
I really do like the lighting.
Yep.
So here we have Keurig coffee maker, and Corey did not make this in the Keurig. He went and got the s'mores.
It's like the s'mores latte or something like that. It was really good.
We saw some friends downstairs and they had it, and Corey was like, I want one. And they had some really
Shout out Disney as our cure.
Yeah, shout out Disney as our cure. Allie had the s'mores latte. They had some really fun like flavors that kind of go with the Wilderness Lodge theme. And then, so here's all the goodies for the Keurig. So we have the Keurig pods, Joffrey's Resort Blend, and then there's also creamer, a couple teas, and then you have
Cups.
real mugs.
That's
or
nice.
The to-go cups. And you can't tell through the plastic, but the to-go cups do have little Mickeys on them. Can you see it or no?
Yeah, you can now.
Yeah, so a little bit of magic in every place, all the details. But I love this because it's Bambi. How sweet is that?
Bambi.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Isn't that cute?
It's really cool.
I really love it. And then your beverage cooler is in here. And And then this is some shelving and storage, which is so nice. We've got that handheld steamer and the safe, but that is really good storage. And then nice big closet.
Yep.
With kind of like the doors that won't slam. They won't slam, so it's like
It's a slow shut.
slow shut.
Yeah, that's nice.
And then
A lot of
extra
room too. It's hard to
pillows.
tell because it's dark in there, but
Yes.
a lot of room.
And you can take this out if you want, the suitcase holder.
Yep.
And then you've got the hangers. And then on the other side of the hallway, we have the full-length mirror.
Mm-hmm.
And I love this full-length mirror, which is also the privacy door to the bathroom. So this nice big privacy door. And it's also a slow shut, so it does not slam.
That's nice for
So
kids
you can
and
go,
stuff.
woo! And it just slowly shuts. And then that opens up to the beautiful bathroom. So here's that lighting feature again.
That's cool.
And then this is nice. There's 2 sinks, lots of storage. Whoops, there's a hairdryer. Makeup mirror, big mirror,
Yep.
and I really like it. And then here's another little privacy door
Yeah, it's nice too, huh?
to the restroom, and then the shower.
Yeah,
So,
really nice. It's a walk-in shower.
I love the shower.
And then it has the rain faucet and then the normal one.
Yeah, it's a really
Very
good
nice.
shower.
And then it has like a wood tile wall, which is kind
Yeah,
of
that's a really cool like design feature.
Yep.
It almost makes it look kind of like sauna-y
It does.
or like cabin woodsy sauna-y. I don't know.
Yep.
This doesn't make sense. And then here's the little totem picture.
It's kind of cool.
Yeah, it's neat. So let's show the view,
Okay.
and then we'll chat a little bit more about the resort, and then we can show a little bit more when we go downstairs.
Okay.
So, ooh, I can hear the train. So this is pretty much just a standard view, but it's
It's really
like
cool
a
though.
nature view.
Yeah.
Technically, it's nice. It's peaceful.
I really like it because it is peaceful. You know, you're kind of like in the theme of it all, right? In the forest and the wilderness.
Yeah,
It's pretty cool.
it does. It feels so like peaceful and tranquil.
Yeah. And it's a big patio. So, big patio,
Lots of space.
table, 2 chairs, and you could really spread out.
Yeah.
So,
So Wilderness Lodge is a deluxe resort, and it's nice. It has boat access to Magic Kingdom, and then it has bus access to all of the other parks. And they actually just announced that the boat that the boat goes to Magic Kingdom or Fort Wilderness Campground, and then they just announced that the boat to Contemporary will return soon in October. So that's nice because it's just another like resort to resort transportation option. But this is a big resort because it has Wilderness Lodge, and then it has 2 DVC parts of it. So it has Copper Creek, and then it also has Boulder Ridge. But it's nice. It's easy to get around everywhere to get to the main building with the dining, and to get to the pool area and all of that. So we're getting ready to go to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party tonight. So when we go downstairs, we're going to show a little bit more of the lobby, and then our walk to the boat, and we'll show a little bit more in this vlog of Wilderness Lodge. But this is a really, really fun resort to stay at for Christmas because they have that amazing tree in the lobby that they do each year. But it's also a really fun resort to do in the fall time, which is when we're here for Mickey's Not So Scary, just because it kind of has more like fun vibes during like fall and winter and stuff. So we're excited to stay here. We also really love the dining options here. We have a vlog of Geyser Point somewhere. So I will link that because we love their food at Geyser Point and the drinks. So stay tuned. We're going to show a little bit more of the resort. We are leaving our room. We're heading to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party, which will be our next vlog.
Yes.
But look at what's in the carpet.
Mickey Mouse.
Hidden Mickey. I love those little details. So our room is on the 4th floor.
Yep.
Room 4004.
And it's kind of like right above the Roaring Fork, which is the quick service restaurant. There's an elevator that you take up, and it's pretty convenient.
So we just stopped off the elevator, and like Corey said, we're right by the Roaring Fork. So that is the quick service at this resort. So they have some good options. That's where he picked up his coffee. So we will show like a little peek of the lobby area. Because normally we could just go out these doors to the boat, but we'll come up this way to show the lobby briefly, and then we'll go back out and head towards the boat. So here is the Territory Lounge, which is open in the evenings, bar and lounge. And then this is kind of cool. It says every Thursday they do specialty, create your own specialty Wilderness Lodge artwork piece. Light refreshments are included. So I'm not sure what the price is on that, but that's really neat. And then if you go past the Territory Lounge and up the ramp, that is where Artist Point is, and that is a dinner. And that dinner is with the characters Snow White, the Evil Queen, Grumpy, and Dopey.
And it's a fun one.
Yeah, we've done it before. It is fun. Remember you ate all that mushroom soup?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
But here's the look at the lobby.
Show this part out.
Yeah. I love all the seating. Got this little bridge here. And then this water flows to outside, and then if you go outside, which we will, it kind of is a stream that flows all the way.
Like it goes right into the pool
and then into the lake.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's really beautiful in here. And then the other dining option is the Whispering Canyon Cafe. That's a fun one. I actually do have a vlog of us eating their breakfast before, but that one's funny because the cast members are really interactive with you.
They're very playful.
Yeah, playful is a good term. The fireplace. So this resort definitely has similar vibes to the Grand Californian in Disneyland. And then also Animal Kingdom Lodge. I believe it is the same architect as Animal Kingdom Lodge. So the lobby is very grand and just, I don't even know the word. Just very amazing.
Yeah.
Right when you walk in. Here's the check-in desks. And then we have to show this cute little iconic totem. Right before you walk into the store, there is the iconic totem. So cute. So now coming outside, there's that little porch with the rocking chairs.
Here's
and
the
then
continuation of like the creek river.
Yeah, the little
Kind of cool. And then the beautiful
creek.
flowers.
Yeah, the flowers are so pretty. And then we're just gonna take the path down. So there is a little sign this way to the pool, the bike and boat rental, and then the Geyser Point Bar and Grill, which is our favorite place to eat here, probably.
Yeah.
So you would take that path over to Geyser Point, but we're gonna go this way because we're gonna go catch the boat But here is a little sneak peek at the main pool. It's really fun. And they do have that awesome splash pad for the kids over there. And then a really fun slide too.
So cool.
All right, we see a boat. Obviously all these people just got off. So that means they're gonna be boarding a new one. If there's not a long line, hopefully we can make this one. It looks like they have a bigger boat, Corey, not one of the smaller ones.
Correct.
So if we can hurry, we might be able to make it, but we're going down the little path.
Yeah, sure.
Wait for us.
Oh, we should be good.
Yeah, we should make it.
Yeah.
Do you think?
We have room.
Yeah, do you think there's gonna be enough room for us?
We'll see. You could swim.
Oh God. Oh yeah, you can swim with the gators.
Beautiful night or evening though.
Yeah, it is. Let's hope for no rain for this Halloween party. It rained on us last year. There's the boat. Okay, so we're about to get on the boat. We made it, perfect timing. Stay tuned and watch our next vlog because that is gonna be Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party at Magic Kingdom. Thanks for watching our brief little overview of Wilderness Lodge. I definitely wanted to show our room tour here. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Bye.